All right, let's jump right into it, guys. Huge week for crypto. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button, subscribe down below. Please comment your thoughts on any and all of this. And I really want this video to reach the masses here because we are lining up for a big week in the market. Now, we just took a massive dip here in the last 12 to 24 hours. A lot of people freaking out. I'm not in that camp. I think we were due for some type of pullback, some type of regression here, against what we've been doing, especially ahead of Q4. This is, I think, the one final drop before we really get into risk on season. Now, we're going to need the stock market to continue its upward trend, tech stocks, etc. We've got some news on that. But just in terms of market structure, continued talks between Republicans and Democrats right now is ongoing. And Friday, we had a statement from Senate Democrats. There's a bipartisan momentum now to move quickly. However, signals from both sides suggest the process may take longer than Republicans had initially hoped, with the bill's markup now likely pushed to October. So we're going to be very, very keen on finding out what happens here with the market structure bill. Obviously, we've got the Crypto Clarity Act as well. We've got a ton of ETF deadlines coming up in October and November. The hope is we can get to a point where we're ready to accept all of those. So if you hold XRP, Solana, HBAR, Litecoin, Dogecoin, any of these big names that are in their, ETF phase that are trying to get them pushed through, this is going to be something we'll be watching very closely. And again, here on this channel, we will not miss any of it. We'll be breaking it all down for you guys in real time. But today, we do have some big news coming out. Coinbase is launching their Mag 7 and Crypto Equity Index futures, letting investors trade a single futures contract that mixes top U.S. tech stocks with crypto ETFs. Very interesting. Fed Governor Stefan Miran holds a speech on non-monetary forces and appropriate monetary policy today at 12 p.m. And then Tuesday, Korea Blockchain Week kicks off in Seoul, South Korea. Speakers all across the board, man. Big, big names. Caroline Pham, Patrick Witt, Tom Lee, Bo Hines, tons of other big names. And Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michelle Bowman makes a speech on economic outlook at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Federal Chair Jerome Powell also makes a speech on economic outlook tomorrow at 12:35. So that is something big. Now, not much happening on Wednesday, but on Thursday, we're going to have the Commerce Department publishing the latest Q2 GDP numbers. That usually comes out around 8:30. Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michelle Bowman makes another speech on regulation and supervision at 10 a.m. Fed Governor Michael Barr makes a speech on bank stress testing at 1 p.m. And then Coin Center is hosting its annual dinner known in the industry as the Crypto Prom this year at the Plaza Hotel in New York City. And then on Friday, Fed Vice Chair again, Michelle Bowman makes a speech on the approach to monetary policy decision making at 1 p.m. So that is exactly what's going on this week. A lot to get into, obviously, as we roll along. But we're getting ready for market open. Bitcoin is coming up a little bit. Market open actually happening right now at the time of this recording as I'm making this video. You could be watching this later on in the day. You're still going to get up to speed on what's going on. Korea Blockchain Week will be big. Then we head to Singapore for Token 2049 that kicks off in early October. So keep an eye on that as well. We'll be all over it. I've got representatives over there across the pond and in the at both conferences. My partner there, my business development manager, Pate, is out there, so he'll be reporting back to me on anything and everything he sees, and I'll have all the insights for you guys right here. I wanted to stay back and make sure I'm locked in here, giving you guys the best information I can each and every day. So listen, guys, you're not going to find a lot of crypto content creators out there that are just not giving you everything you want to hear. I'm not a pump channel, right? I'm not just like everything's going to the moon. I'm going to give it to you real. I'm going to give it to you raw. I'm going to give it to you good, bad, ugly, every single video. And I appreciate you guys so much for all your support. Make sure you guys lock in right now. We're getting ready for Q4. A lot of assets, I think, are still undervalued, especially after this final drop, final drop here in late September before we roll into October. We are seeing some movement in the market. Aster continues to start to peak here. We're back up to 160, and it looks like maybe we could be turning green here at market open. Across the board, we're seeing some movement, so we'll be all over it. Lock in, guys, and pay close attention. If you guys really want to lock in and take your game to the next level, You can get exclusive access to my inner circle and dominate the cryptocurrency market with me. You'll get full portfolio access, my buy and sells, my AI crypto generated picks, utilizing AI technology and our custom algorithms. We also give you the same kind of flavor with prime value crypto picks as well. And come on and join us on the inside, and you're going to be connected with an unbelievable community ready to take over this cryptocurrency market. So appreciate you guys for watching. Also, WEEX, huge partner. We are working with these guys. If you're looking to make some trades, make some moves, check out my WEEX link down below, guys. A phenomenal opportunity to get in right now and into a top exchange. Tons of contests coming your way. You're also going to be able to join a private trading community right through WEEX when you sign up using my link. My link's down below in the description. And I appreciate you all for watching the video.